Welcome back, pasta lovers. Today, let's dive into the creamy, dreamy world of white sauce pasta recipes. Whether you're a kitchen novice or a pasta pro, I've got two killer recipes that will make your taste buds sing. Perfect for date night or a cozy dinner at home. We'll be making classic Alfredo pasta and a deliciously zesty white sauce pesto pasta. First, let's gather our ingredients. For the Alfredo, you'll need 200 grams of fettuccine, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1.2 cup of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 tablespoons of butter, 2 cloves of minced garlic, salt, pepper, and a sprinkle of parsley for garnish. For our pesto white sauce pasta, grab 200 grams of penne, 1 cup of heavy cream, 1 cup of basil pesto, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, a pinch of chili flakes if you're feeling adventurous, and some cherry tomatoes for a pop of color. Let's start by cooking our pasta. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil and toss in your pasta. Cook until al dente for that perfect bite. While the pasta cooks, we'll prepare our sauces. For the Alfredo sauce, melt butter in a skillet over medium heat and add the minced garlic. The aroma of garlic is unbeatable. After a minute, incorporate the heavy cream and let it simmer. It's time to bring the cheese. Add in the Parmesan cheese and stir vigorously until it's all melted and the sauce is smooth. Season it with salt and pepper to taste. Your Alfredo sauce is now ready. Meanwhile, let's whip up the pesto white sauce. In another skillet, heat olive oil over medium heat. Pour in the heavy cream, mixing it well before adding the basil pesto. Stir until combined and add chili flakes for a fiery touch. With sauces ready, drain the pasta and save a bit of the pasta water. This starchy water is a handy trick to adjust the consistency of your sauces. Mix the pasta into the Alfredo sauce, coating every strand with creamy goodness. For the pesto pasta, do the same and add cherry tomatoes for extra crunch and color. If your sauce is too thick, a splash of pasta water will achieve the perfect texture. Time to serve. Plate the Alfredo pasta with a sprinkle of parsley for a gourmet touch. For the pesto white sauce pasta, a vibrant basil leaf or two makes it picture perfect. Both dishes are creamy, flavorful, and undeniably mouth-watering. These recipes are a testament to how easy and fun making great pasta can be. Enjoy your culinary handiwork and relish every bite.